You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, US dollar. The dollar weakened on Thursday, mainly due to the strength in other currency, as US data remained positive, but the perceptions of the risks in Europe eased. The greenback ended the day at 1.3003 to the euro and 96.10 to the yen. Today's data include the CPI, industrial productions, and the Michigan Confidence Surveys, all of which are expected to rise. Next to the euro. The euro rebounded on Thursday as a result of a change in negative expectations, as government were expected to alter their previous austerity-oriented policy to more growth-led strategy. The single currency ended the day at 1.3003 to the dollar and 124.98 to the yen. Today's data include the CPI data for February, which is expected to remain unchanged at 1.8%. British pound. The pound rose over 1.6% on Thursday after negative fundamentals were perceived as over-exaggerated and concern about the upcoming budgets and the Bank of England minutes ease as policymakers are expected to remit to austerity and opt for the growth-focused agenda instead. The sterling ended the day at 1.5081 to the dollar and 0.8620 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Thursday after the nominees for the deputy governorship of the Bank of Japan, Kikuo Iwata, was finally voted in despite resistance from the oppositions. Iwata is also known as an aggressive pro-stimulus supporter, and his presence in the leadership team at the Bank of Japan solidified the central bank's anti-deflation, pro-easing agenda. The yen ended the day at 96.10 to the dollar and 144.90 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is open long positions above 1.298. We target at 1.304 and 1.3075 in extensions. Below 1.298, which we look for further downside with 1.295 and 1.291 as targets. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5065. We target at 1.5155 and 1.52 in extensions. Below 1.5065, which we look for further downside with 1.5045 and 1.5005 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 96.25. We target at 95.65 and 95.45 in extensions. Above 96.25, which we look for further upside with 96.7 and 97 as targets. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in next Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.